Hello everyone and welcome back to Total Health Turnaround. Today, we're diving into a topic that's as fascinating as it is revolutionary: stem cells. These tiny powerhouses hold the key to unlocking our body's potential for youth and vitality. Imagine the possibilities if we could harness their power to repair, rejuvenate, and renew our bodies. It's a concept that's truly mind-blowing. Stick around as we delve into what stem cells are, how they work, the best foods to promote their growth, and a few habits to avoid so we don't hinder their potential. You don't want to miss this. Let's dive right in. So, what exactly are stem cells? Well, stem cells are like the body's master repair system. They're unique because they can develop into many different cell types, from muscle to brain and skin cells. They can also divide and create new stem cells, making them essential for growth and healing throughout our lives. However, the most fascinating part is that stem cells are not just a scientific marvel. They're a natural part of your body's toolkit for repairing damaged tissues and organs. When you're injured or sick, your body calls on these remarkable cells to jump into action and start the healing process. Think of them as your body's own personal superheroes, always ready to save the day. This inherent power in your body is something to be confident about. Now, let's delve into the magic of how these incredible cells work. When your body detects damage or disease, it sends out a call to action, summoning stem cells to the site needing repair. These stem cells then undergo a remarkable transformation, morphing into the specific type of cell required to fix the problem. For instance, if you have a cut on your skin, stem cells will spring into action, becoming the new skin cells to heal the wound. The potential of stem cells doesn't stop there. They're also being used in groundbreaking medical treatments. Scientists are exploring using stem cells to treat various conditions from heart disease to Alzheimer's and spinal cord injuries. The possibilities are limitless, offering a beacon of hope for the future of healthcare, a future that inspires and intrigues. You're probably wondering, how can I support my stem cells and help them thrive? That's a great question. While there's no magic pill, certain foods can promote stem cell growth and keep them healthy. Let's look at some of the best foods to include in your diet. For those of you that are regulars on our channel, first of all, thank you so much. But these foods will sound familiar to you because foods that are anti-inflammatory are also great for stem cell health. First up are blueberries. They're packed with antioxidants which protect your cells from damage and support stem cell regeneration. Next up, green tea. Rich in catechins, green tea helps improve the function of your stem cells and can even aid in weight loss. Next up is turmeric. This golden spice contains curcumin, which has a powerful anti-inflammatory property and can boost stem cell activity. Fatty fish containing omega-3 fatty acids like salmon and mackerel are essential for heart health and can promote the growth of new stem cells. Don't get mad at me, but next up is dark chocolate. Yes, you heard that right. Dark chocolate is high in flavonoids, which can enhance stem cell function and protect them from damage. Next up are nuts and seeds. They are packed with healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. Nuts and seeds provide the nutrients stem cells need to thrive. Another food group are leafy greens. Vegetables like spinach and kale are rich in vitamins A and C, which support cell growth and repair. Pomegranates are rich in antioxidants and polyphenols, which help protect and rejuvenate your stem cells. They can also support cardiovascular health, making them a delicious and beneficial addition to your diet. Avocados are packed with healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals, providing essential nutrients supporting cell health and regeneration. Their high vitamin E content is particularly beneficial in maintaining healthy skin cells. Certain types of mushrooms like shiitake are known for their immune-boosting properties. They contain compounds that can enhance stem cell function and protect your cells from damage. Next up is garlic, a flavorful addition to many dishes and is rich in sulfur compounds that promote stem cell growth and overall cellular health. That garlic is great for your immune system too. Beets are a fantastic nitrate source, improving blood flow and supporting cardiovascular health. This enhanced circulation can help stem cells more efficiently reach areas needing repair. Eggs are a powerhouse of nutrients, including high-quality protein and essential vitamins like B12 and choline. These nutrients are crucial for cell growth and repair. The old saying, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away," has some truth. Apples contain quercetin, a flavonoid that protects cells and supports their longevity. Seaweed is rich in iodine and other essential minerals for cellular health. It can help support stem cell function and overall vitality. Broccoli and other cruciferous vegetables contain sulforaphane, which supports detoxification and stem cell health. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and limes and grapefruits are excellent vitamin C sources, essential for collagen production and cell repair. Vitamin C is also a powerful antioxidant that protects cells from damage. Sweet potatoes rich in beta-carotene help protect skin cell growth and repair. They also provide a good dose of fiber, which is excellent for your overall health. Ginger is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, and it can help support the health of your stem cells. It's also great for digestion and can be easily added to teas, smoothies, and meals. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help you create the perfect environment for your stem cells to flourish, keeping you youthful and vibrant. 2 habits to avoid because they damage stem cells are smoking cigarettes and excessive alcohol use. Lastly, to make your stem cells really happy, get 7 to 9 hours of good sleep every night. And there you have it, folks, the incredible world of stem cells and how to support them through your diet. Remember, your body is capable of amazing things, and taking care of your stem cells is a fantastic way to ensure you stay healthy and youthful. By taking great care of yourself and your stem cells, you are on a path to a total health turnaround. Thank you so much for watching this video today. We really do appreciate your kind support. Please share this video with someone you know that needs to know more about stem cells. Also, please leave a comment below and let us know what kind of videos you'd like to see in the future. Until next time, I will see you in the next video.